Okay, 220 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then row 1, 2 doubles in the 4th chain from the hook. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes 3 doubles, half of a shell. Skip 2, single in the next. 1, 2, single. Chain 5, skip 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the 6th, single. Skip 2, shell in the next. 1, 2, right here. Got a yarn over. Go. A shell is 5 doubles in the same stitch. 3. This is very soft yarn. 4, 5. Now, so it pulled tight. 1, 2, single in the next. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single. Sorry if I got out of frame. I'm looking at my pattern. Getting rhythm here in a minute. Single, skip 5, single, skip 2, shell. 1, 2, shell. Chain 5, skip 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single. Okay, keep going like that all the way across. Looks like this. Half a shell here, half a shell, chain, shell, chain, shell, chain. Okay, we're at the end of the row. First row, we ended with 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now, sorry, I bumped the camera. Going to chain 1. This is row 2. The chain loop row 1. So chain 1, turn, single here, chain 5, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to go into the third. See, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, right in the middle. and we're going to put a single crochet there. Then we're going to go over here, 1, 2, 3, and put a single crochet in there after chaining another 5. 3, 4, 5. And we're going to do that all the way across in the middle of the loop. I have to lift my arms up so I'm not shaking the table. Oops. You can do that if you want, but it may slide around. See, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. All the way across. A couple more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 2. There's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Do that all the way across, and I'll meet you there. Okay, gonna end, chain 5, single in the top of the third, 1, 2. This is it right here, but it's turned around. So go in the bump and then give it a spin. There you go, and single. Okay, now next row, row 3, we're going to chain 5 and we're going to single here. That'll make a V. Then we're going to put a shell here, right in the middle of these two, above this diamond. Okay? Okay, here's the little V for the chain 5, single in the third of this chain 5, then shell in the third of this chain 5, then chain 5, skip over above the shell, and single in the middle of this chain 5 in the third stitch. And we're going to do that all the way across. Okay, try to do this without shaking the table. On this one we end, this is row 3. We end with a chain 2, 1, 2, and then a double crochet in the single that we made to make a little V. Ta-da! There. Can you see the V? Okay, this is row 4, chain loop row 2. Now, it seems a lot like the other one, but instead of going into a loop, we're going into the top of the shell first. So, chain 1, turn, single, right there. Chain 5, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, top of the shell. Then in the middle, and then the top, then in the middle, then in the top, all the way across. Just chain 5 loops. Okay, starting to lose the light a little bit, but coming to the end of row 4, chain 5, then single in the third chain of that first chain 5. So 1, 2, 3 right there. Sorry, there we go. Give it a flip. There we go. Single. Now we're going to start row 5. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn. And we're going to put 2 doubles in the same spot. And that'll get us our half a shell. And the same way we end a shell, 1, 2, 3. The 3rd chain of the chain 5. Then chain 5. Here, I'm going to move this so it's not in the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And then, see, we've got a shell and a diamond and then another shell right there. 5 doubles. One, 2, 3, right there. Single. Let me just repeat that all the way across. Right here. Half a shell, diamond, shell, diamond, shell, all the way across. Okay, ending row 5 with 3 double crochets in the single right there. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe.